Hey guys, it's Andy again coming at you from San Antonio. We are right outside of Lackland Air Force Base. We got our latest project here. Gorgeous little 3-bedroom, 1-bath. As you can see, we need to start with the outside. We've got an exterior paint. But come on in, let me show you what we have. Beautiful home. We really put some love into it, some TLC. Of course, we put a little bit of muscle, a little bit of money. But this is the finished product. Let me show you. As you can see, we did the whole full exterior paint. Small enough house, small enough project that we know we can tear into. We're going to give ourselves a 30-day schedule, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. We picked this up for $72,000, guys. That is an awesome deal. We're hoping to put about $15,000 into it and turn it around as a quick flip. If you can see here, we've already got some pock marks. We already had some insulation blown into the wall cavity, so we're starting off with that. We're going to scrape the popcorn on the top. We're going to go there. We're going to do vinyl planking all along the flooring here. So we had planking on the floors, beautiful planking throughout. Texture on the walls, texture on the ceilings. Just a beautiful, beautiful job. And we'll show you that before, we'll show you the after. That's a small dining area, small kitchen area. These are the type of homes, these are the type of projects that we like to bring to our clients because they're not big, scary projects. They're projects we know we can handle, projects that we can turn around on time, projects that we can turn around on budget, more importantly, and hopefully put some really nice family, put a really nice family here, put some really nice investors. Let me show you these granite countertops here. We actually raised the walls here so we can have a little lid, a bar. We still need the appliances, but as you can see, we're going to have a stove, dishwasher. It had no dishwasher, guys. We're going to put in a dishwasher here. We added some over-the-sink cabinets. We added a really beautiful backsplash. It's a little dark, but this is the bathroom. We're going to remodel the bathroom. Okay. This is bedroom number 2. So added some space. We took out some cabinets that I think we put enough space for a stackable washer, dryer. Guys, we have really put some love into this. This is bedroom number 1. Okay. As you can see, the popcorn is already been scraped off there. And we've got the pop marks, that blown insulation that we've already had blown into the outside cavity here. Lackland Air Force Base as our backdrop. These are the type of projects that we're going to bring to market. These are the type of projects that we can turn around and bring that return on investment. I'm going to show you the before, the during, and the after. Guys, call me if this is the type of stuff you're looking for. If you're looking to get into the flip business, I want to be your guy. I want to be your agent. 15 years in the business. Andy Patlan, 512-784-0048. Call me today. Hablamos español.